The skilled trades workshops started with an idea really of the owner of the Hub for Manufacturing. He wanted to create a space where kids could learn and see opportunities outside of a traditional four-year college route. That prompted conversations with the experiential learning program and Joe Schroeder at the high school, and with Rick Boyle, who's a small business owner in the downtown Mason community, about creating an opportunity for kids to learn and get introduced to the skilled trades. Things like framing, roofing, plumbing, electric, not to make them experts, to give them an opportunity to have an experience in the trades.
A lot of students don't even pick up a tape measure, don't pick up a hammer. How do you know you wouldn't want to be a carpenter if you don't pick up a hammer or don't do those things? So we don't do that typically. So this is just another opportunity for students to experience something and maybe a career field they want to be in.
I initially was biggest on being an electrician coming in, and I am still pretty big on it. Now, even more of the carpentry.
They got a number of skills where they got to try hands-on, personalize, and explore things that they were more passionate about. So I watched young people, when it related to electric, spend more time twisting wires, working on switches, making light bulbs turn on, working on single pole switches. So it really allowed them hands-on to work with experts in whatever that field was. So work with somebody who had been an electrician for 30 years and learn and understand more and explore those things that they found they had interest in.
A little bit shy at first. I wasn't sure exactly how it was all about, including myself, or kind of fancy with myself, my hands. But after the first couple weeks, it got pretty easy. It quickly, how having to grab it, grab a hammer, grab some tool, and learn something.
The time they spent with these trades professionals, working one-on-one with them, I think that grew them in social skills, communication skills, figuring out how to do tasks and priorities, and learning something. So I think that was a big thing. The other thing, it kind of opened their world up to, like, these are different careers that could be very fruitful, like very helpful in the future.
Today here at graduation really was an opportunity to celebrate them, their accomplishment, and to celebrate their completion of these great sheds by recognizing them. And for some of those students, it was not just a graduation from this program, but an opportunity then to continue on. So for several of the students, it was joining an electrician program, a plumbing program, or getting hired to work for a company this summer after graduation.